Guys, so if you're looking to transfer your Visa gift card balance to your bank account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, what you have to do is just simply create a Venmo account. So if you don't know how to create one, I've already made a video on this channel, so you can go ahead and check that. Now, after your account is all done and set up, what you have to do is just simply open your Venmo again, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then click on the setting bar or the gear icon, then click on payment methods, then just simply click on card. Now over there just simply add your card by entering your expiration date and your CVV number, and after that enter your zip code, then just simply add your card. Now if you have not added your bank account just yet, just simply follow the same step and add your bank account as well. So after you're done adding both of your cards, the Visa card and your bank account, you can just simply transfer your funds from your Visa card to your bank account. And again, if you don't know how to add a bank account, just simply follow these steps over here. Now when you will making the transaction, there will be two type of transactions, a free one and an instant one. Now in the free one, it will take up to 2 to 3 days to get your funds to your bank account, but if you choose instant transfer, it will cost you 1.7% of your amount that you're going to transfer. So mostly the minimum fee that will be taken is $0.25 or the maximum $25. So just simply choose whichever option you want and just simply do a transfer. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.